we all heard that some of the workers, 3 of them, about 2 days ago, were arrested on the trump up charges, and they were also charged to court. They were, locked up for some days before they were charged to court. And not until after about 4 days before they were bailed on court conditions, and the court case has been adjourned. This calls for a very deep concern for people. Anyway, we take it that this is one of the hazards of our jobs. But having said that, NSC is concerned for the safety of lives of all the workers that work in the state as well. We are not political, and we should not be seen to be showing politics. We have seen directives and counter-directives. There has been a directive that the workers should stay away for some days, and we've also seen another counter-directives that ordered the workers to come back to work today. So, all this pushing around is something that is also of another concern to us.